In today's session, in today's session, we will see differentiation of some basic functions, right? We will directly use the expressions, or you can say formulas, right? Which are derived from the first principle of differentiation. So since this is a physics class, I'm not going into the derivation of expressions for doing the differentiation of few functions. I'm not going into it. Why I taught you the first principle of differentiation was because you should know why this differentiation, why it is associated with slope of the tangent, how it is associated with the change in the value of dependent variable and independent variable, right? That's why I taught you that first principle of differentiation. So here we are learning about differentiation of some basic functions. Okay. So the first one is an algebraic function which is y is equal to x to the power n. Y is equal to x to the power n, where what is n here? N is a
వచ్చింది
constant.
నేను క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాడే అందరికైనా
Please mute yourself when you are talking to somebody else. You have to mute yourself when you are talking to somebody else, okay? First of all, you should avoid it. But if there is a background noise or you're talking to someone, please mute yourself. So y is equal to x to the power n, where n is a constant. So dy by dx is nx to the power n minus 1. For example, you write it as y dash, we write it as y prime also. So let's see one example based on this. So I have y is equal to x to the power minus 5 by 2. What is y dash? It's minus 5 by 2 x to the power minus 7 by 2. This is how we differentiate a function, right? An algebraic function. Second type of function which we are interested in is trigonometric function. Now, this trigonometric function, the first part of it is if y is equal to sine x, then what about dy by dx? It is cos x. So differentiation of sine x is cos x. And what if y is cos x? Then differentiation is minus sine x. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? I'm waiting for an answer.
ఎస్ సార్
Yes, right? So third one is a an exponential function. And this is y is equal to e to the power x. E is a constant. Its approximation value is 2.72. So if I write dy by dx for this e, right, this is d by dx of e power x, it is the same function only. So there is no change in here. The last one is logarithmic function. I hope you are aware about log. If you are not, go to the channel. There will be a, you can search for this logarithm recording and you can learn it from there. So y is log base ex. So the base is this e, right? This is called as natural log. We call this as natural log. Now this is y dash is d by dx of ln of x, which is 1 over x. So differentiation of ln of x is, या natural ln भी बोलते हैं इसको. तो differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So these are the 5 basic functions which we are interested in while we are learning about. Padmashri, please keep your camera switched on. All of you, please keep your camera switched on if you want to attend the session. If your network is not good, then please tell me, sir, my network is not good. Can I keep my camera switched on? Right? This is the way we connect. So these are the 5 basic functions, the differentiation of which should be known to us or we should be aware of to solve problems in physics. Right? So please copy it quickly and then we will move ahead with the rest of the chapter. Please do it. Once you're done writing it, please type done in the comment. Okay? Riddhima and Vivek, this is your first lesson.
Yes, sir.
Please switch on your camera, both of you. Riddhima, you are in which standard?
Sir, I've just done my 12th.
Okay. Keep your camera switched on. Okay. Vivek,
हेलो सर।
yeah, hi.
नहीं, मेरा बच्चा है, वो इसको ज्वाइन करने वाला है। अभी उसका
अच्छा
वो
अच्छा
पूना में है और हम नगर में है। अगर उसका ज्वाइन
अच्छा
हुआ
अच्छा।
तो मैं एग्जिट हो जाऊंगा।
ठीक है सर, ठीक।
हाँ, फिर
मैं
देख रहे
रिकॉर्डिंग
हो।
शेयर कर दूंगा सर।
हाँ, ठीक है सर, चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं सर।
ओके। So I hope all of you have noted it. Yeah. So algebraic function, I'll explain again. This is x to the power, anything raised to the power. See, x is raised to the power some constant, right? Let's say 3. So this 3 is a constant. What is the formula for differentiation of this? It is if y is equal to x to the power n, the differentiation of y with respect to x is n x to the power n minus 1, right? So in place of n, it is 3 here. So y dash is 3 x to the power 3 minus 1 is 2. This is how we do it. I hope this is clear to all of you now. वेद भोगले, समझ आया तुमको कि नहीं आया?
Yes, sir.
So now let's try, let's see differentiation of a constant. What is differentiation of a constant? differentiation of a constant. Now, if you recall the previous session, right, differentiation was this dy by dx was slope. It is represented by slope of the tangent. Remember? Drawn to the curve. Drawn to the curve. I hope you guys remember it. Yes or no? dy by dx is slope of the tangent drawn to the curve, right? So that was also given as tan theta, tan of theta, if you remember. That is what is differentiation of y with respect to x. Now suppose I have this xy plane. ध्यान से सुनना बेटा सब लोग. I have this xy plane and this is y which is constant. This is how we will draw. Say this y is equal to say b, where b is constant. This is how the line will be drawn. Yes or no? The graph will be drawn. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? This length is b. Right. Now, you know dy by dx. dy by dx is limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. Yes or no? All of you. Just keep saying yes or no, or else I will stop asking and then you have to ask me to explain it again. Then I will not explain. ठीक है? So you have to say yes or no, whether you have understood it or not. So it is delta y over delta x. Now pay attention. Suppose I take these 2 points. Suppose I take these 2 points. This is say x is equal to 1, sorry, x1. This is say x is equal to x2, right? But it remains same for y, right? Let's say it is y1, right? So now you can see here this limit delta x tends to 0. This is delta x, right? And this is delta y. What is delta y here? It's y1 minus y1 only, divided by x2 minus x1, right? This is 0. So 0 upon denominator means there is a non-zero entity. Yes or no? There is this
Yes.
non-zero thing here in the denominator. So this entire term will become 0. So this entire term will become 0. I hope now you understand why differentiation of a constant is 0.
Yes.
समझ आया बेटा सबको?
Yes.
Limit delta x tends to 0. This is delta x only. So always remember this, even if you do it by the tangent expression. For example, I have this point here and I draw a tangent to this line. It will converge with the line only. Yes or no? All of you.
Yes, sir.
What is the slope of this line? What is the angle which this line is making with positive x-axis? The angle which this red tangent makes with positive x-axis is 0, right? 0 degrees. And you know that tan of 0 is what? Tan of 0 is 0. So either ways, by looking at the slope of the tangent drawn to the curve or by doing it with the first principle, you can say that differentiation of a constant is always 0. I hope you understood it. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
शाबाश, लिखो इसको, नोट करो. वेद भोगले, बोलो क्या दिक्कत है तुम्हारी?
सर ये लिमिट क्या होता है?
तुम जाके रिकॉर्डिंग देखो पिछला वाला. तुम रिकॉर्डिंग देखे पिछला वाला?
नहीं सर, वो आपका मैसेज मैंने अभी देखा 7 बजे.
सर आपकी मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता सर इसमें, है ना? मैंने पढ़ाया ये पिछली क्लास में, मैं रिपीट नहीं कर सकता इस क्लास में. ठीक है. मतलब इसके लिए मुझे तुम्हें पूरा पिछला लेक्चर पढ़ाना पड़ेगा कि लिमिट क्या हो। तो आप उसको देखिए, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। ठीक है।
ठीक है।
हम्म। Please type done when you are done. And don't send me in person, just send it in the main chat. That will be good enough. Noted, all of you? Chalo. So next is differentiation of functions. We are talking about two functions. Two functions when they are added or subtracted. But this can happen with multiple functions also. So just write differentiation of functions when they are added or subtract. ठीक है? Now please pay attention. I have this function y as fx plus minus gx. Now, if you want to differentiate this y, what you need to do is individually differentiate fx and gx. And if there is an addition sign, put an addition sign in between them. Or if there is a subtraction sign, put a subtraction sign between, minus sign between them, right? So let's take one example. I have y is equal to x cube plus sin x. So what will be y dash then? Differentiation of x cube is 3x square following y is equal to x to the power n ka differentiation plus differentiation of sin x is cos x, right? I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you have doubts, you can ask. Second question, आप लोग करके बताइए मुझे. Y is, let's say it's e to the power x plus ln of x. Differentiate it. Copy this and then do the differentiation quickly. चलो, I hope almost all of you are done with this. Aaron, your answer? Padmashri, what is your answer for this?
E power x plus 1 by x.
It's e power x plus 1 by
1 by
x. Very good. Chalo. All of you done with this? Ridhima, noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this was differentiation of functions when they are either added or subtracted. Now comes the next thing in differentiation, that is product rule, or this is also differentiation of two functions when they are multiplied. ठीक है? Product rule है ये, या differentiation of two functions when they are multiplied. So please pay attention. Now we have y is equal to fx into gx. Right? Now y dash is equal to, differentiate the first one, keep second one as it is, then different keep the first one as it is, differentiate the second. I hope you got this. So for example, we have y is equal to, say, cos x into ln of x. So when you want to differentiate this, differentiate cos x first. It is minus of sin x into ln of x plus cos x upon x. I hope all of you understood this. Next question, you guys do it. It's y is equal to, let's say, x to the power minus 5 by 3 multiplied by or divided by e to the power x. Differentiate it. अच्छा रुको, ये नहीं कर पाओगे तो रुक जाओ, उल्टा कर लो इसको। e पावर x अपॉन एक्स क्यूब, इसको करो डिफरेंशिएट। वेद, तुम्हारा आंसर गलत है। चेक करो, तुमने माइनस की जगह प्लस कर दिया ऊपर। प्लीज सेंड मी योर आंसर्स।
सर कहाँ पे?
करो, चेक करो ना भाई, तुम्हारा आंसर गलत है, बस अब बता दिया मैंने, चेक करो। खुद ढूंढो कहाँ गलती तुमसे. If you have noted the slide, please type done in the comment window. So, chalo. For this part, see, first of all, you should write it like this: e power x into x to the power minus 3. This is how you should write it. Right? One of the functions is e power x. So, I am differentiating the first function, that is e power x only, into x to the power minus 3. So, this is the differentiation of first function, right? Plus, keeping the first function as it is, differentiating the second function. So, n is minus 3 here. So, this is minus 3, x to the power minus 3 minus 1. So, finally, this is e power x upon x cube plus minus 3 e power x upon x to the power 4. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes.
वेद समझ आया बेटा कहाँ गलती थी तुमसे?
यस सर.
Please note it quickly, all of you. So see, this question was, we can make x to the power 3 as x to the power minus 3 and make it a product function, right? Product differentiation. So that is what you should remember. Done, all of you? Noted? Karen, Vidhima, Padma Shri,
Yes, sir.
Ritesh, Sujal. सुजल कर लिया था बेटा ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व तुमने?
क्या सर?
ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिया था तुमने?
हाँ, कर लिया था सर.
ठीक है. So this was the product rule of differentiation, right? Now let's move ahead to division rule of differentiation. So we have y as, I am writing n for numerator and d for denominator. This will help us to maintain the or distinguish between the functions. So y dash is, denominator remains as it is. We differentiate the numerator minus, we keep numerator as it is, differentiate the denominator, and then we divide these two by the square of the denominator. We divide these two by the division, we divide these two by the square of the denominator. I hope all of you understood this. So for example, if I have y is equal to tan x, right? I can write this tan x as sin x over cos x. I don't know differentiation of tan x, right? So I wrote this as sin x to cos x. Now what will be y dash? Numerator is sin x, denominator is cos x. We write cos x multiplied by differentiation of sin x is what? It's cos x only, minus sin x remains sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So this will be multiplied, it will become plus, and this is sin x divided by cos square x. So in the numerator, you can see that there is sin square x plus cos square x. upon cos square x. Now, all of you are aware that sine square x plus cos square x is 1. This is 1 upon cos square x. And y dash is sec square x. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is also d by dx of tan x. Write it quickly. And now you guys differentiate. Do this. Y is sec x. Differentiate. Find y dash. लिखिए.
सर
हम्म.
cos x का माइनस साइन x होगा ना?
हुआ ना माइनस साइन एक्स, तो बीच में माइनस का साइन था ना वहां पर. ये माइनस का साइन होता है ना बीच
यस
में.
सर, यस 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 सर,
माइनस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई होके प्लस हो गया.
यस सर, यस सर.
प्लीज सॉल्व इट क्विकली ऑल ऑफ यू. चलो, डन. आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू आर डन विद दिस. sec x का डिफरेंशिएशन विल बी, write it as 1 upon cos x, right? This is cos x multiplied by differentiation of numerator is 0, minus 1 into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x upon cos square x. So it will be finally sin x upon cos x is tan x and 1 upon cos x is sec x. So this is sec x multiplied by tan x. This is y dash. right? This is the answer. So this was division rule. I hope we have done everything till now. Yeah. Now let's learn about differentiation of, or no, let's learn chain rule of differentiation. Okay. Or differentiation of a function of a function. So what do you understand by function of a function? So suppose, please pay attention. Suppose I have this function like this. Y is equal to sine e to the power x, right? Y is equal to sine e to the power x. So what is happening here is there is a function inside another function. Yes or no?
Yes.
Say yes or no, all of you. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, what we will do is we will go from outside to inside. ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. So I'll show you how it comes, but first let's do it in a proper way. So let theta is equal to e to the power x. ये लिख लूं मैं. तो y is equal to क्या आ जाएगा ये? Sin of theta. We have to find dy by dx. Please pay attention, all of you. Don't write it. Pay attention. ध्यान से सुनो. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. So y is sin theta. Can we find dy by d theta? All of you. Can we find dy by d theta? Say yes or no, or tell the answer. It's cos theta, right? It's cos theta. But our objective is to find dy by dx. So my question to all of you is, what should we multiply to this function so that it becomes dy by dx? Tell me. I'm waiting for your response. Tell me what should be multiplied to dy by d theta so that it becomes dy by dx. All of you. I'm waiting for your answer. Aaron, what should be multiplied to dy by d theta to make it dy by dx? Very good, Riddhima. It's d theta. Very good, Ritesh. It's d theta by dx, right? So multiply d theta by dx on either of the sides. Then only the equation will be equality sign will be intact, right? So we have theta as ex. So from here we get d theta by dx is e power x only. So now it became e power x cos of theta. And this is dy by dx. I hope all of you understood this. So this was cos of theta. And finally replace theta as e power x only. So our answer is in the terms of x. I hope all of you understood how to differentiate it. Yes or no? अच्छा ठीक है. तो अरे भाई बोलो, हाँ या ना नहीं बोलोगे तो मुझे समझ नहीं आएगा. और मैंने पूछना छोड़ दिया तो तुम फिर दुखी हो जाओगे मुझसे. सो प्लीज आस्क, प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव केप्ट योर माइक परमिशन ऑन. So now, while doing these type of differentiations of function of a function, always remember we go from outwards to inwards. So the first function which we encounter here is sine. So what is differentiation of sine? It's cos. So cos e power x हो गया. इसको bracket लगा दो. Multiplied to the differentiation of the second function, which is e power x. So differentiation of e power x is e power x. This is dy by dx, or this is y dash. I hope all of you understood this. This was example 1. I'll do one more. Example 2 is, if I have y as, say, sine, or let's say log of sine x. Okay, ln of sine x. So To find y dash, first function is ln, so differentiation of ln bracket में कुछ भी होने दो, don't think about it, it's ln of some theta, right? It will be 1 upon sin x. Then multiply it with the differentiation of this function, which is cos x. So this became cot x. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now let's see one more example. You do this. I will not do it. Sine cube x. First note the slide, then do the example. Do the exercise. Please do it quickly. For your answers, please do it quickly. Aaron, done? Aaron, Padma Shri, answer. Ridhima, you are not given your answer. Acha, you gave me. Yeah, I got your answer. Padma Shri, where is your answer? रितेश, हाँ आ गया इसका भी. वेद भोगले, तुम यहाँ क्या मूक दर्शक बना बैठा रहेगा बेटा? तुम
सर
मैच देखने आया
कृपया
है?
अपना चैट चेक कीजिएगा सर।
क्या क्या?
चैट चेक कीजिएगा सर।
मैंने इसीलिए बोला तुम वो पर्सनल में मत भेजो मुझे, उसका अलग से वो आइकन बन जाता है, यहाँ नीचे भेजो ना तुम, यहाँ पे कहाँ पे, ग्रुप चैट में जो है मेन चैट लिखा हुआ है ना, उसमें भेजना है, ठीक है? चलो. सो द आंसर टू दिस इज सो द आंसर टू दिस इज y डैश विल बी, इसको पहले फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट इट लाइक दिस, sin x क्यूब, राइट? सो दिस इज एन एल्जेब्रिक फंक्शन, वॉट एवर इज इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट वो एल्जेब्रिक फंक्शन हो गया, ठीक है? सो इट विल बी 3 sin square x multiplied by इसका differentiation which is cos x. So this is the differentiation of or chain rule of differentiation. ठीक है? रिधिमा को समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? Padmashri, you understood or not?
Yes,
Those of
sir.
you who are in 11th standard. Okay. Hmm. ठीक है. So this is the end of differentiation chapter, right? We will do maxima, minima, and integration. I'll send you a booklet of basic maths. Basic maths तो भेजा है मैंने तुम्हें. जनरल उसका मैं तुम्हें एक भेज दूंगा. जनरल मैथ थ्योरी एंड मैथ्स का करके है. I'll show you this booklet and I'll show you which exercise you have to solve from this booklet. So this is the booklet. नहीं नहीं, ये तो बेसिक मैथ्स है. हाँ ठीक है, जनरल थ्योरी. नो. Hmm. Can you see this exercise 1? Page 39, exercise 1. Right? Solve all the questions starting from question number 1 till question number 15. Question number 1 to question number 15. ये करना है आप लोग. ठीक है. This is page 39 and नहीं नहीं, ठीक है. This is exercise 1. Okay. I'll send you this booklet in the group. So please do it. Start doing it so that ठीक है, ये चलेगा. तो नेक्स्ट क्लास कब है तुम्हारी? फ्राइडे को है ना? तो फ्राइडे से पहले प्लीज ये कंप्लीट कर लेना. मैं आज ही भेज दूंगा तुमको ये बुक. ठीक है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, पेज 39 ऑफ द बुकलेट विच आई विल सेंड यू नाउ. ओके. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड द होमवर्क? से
Yes,
यस
sir.
और नो? चलो, ग्रेट. So thank you so much and we will meet on Friday then. Meanwhile, if you have any queries, you can ask me in the group. ठीक है.
सर
Thank you. हाँ
सर
बोलो सुजन, बोलो.
जो कल जो टेस्ट हुआ था उसका क्वेश्चन पेपर मिल सकता है?
उसके लिए तुम्हें सर से बात करो. अगर तुमने टेस्ट का वो उनको टेस्टिंग पोर्टल का जो भी चार्ज देना था वो दिया है तो वो सर तुमको दे देंगे उसका आईडी और पासवर्ड. तो तुम्हारे पास एक टेस्ट वहां पे जनरेट दिखाई देगा. तो
हाँ हाँ, ठीक है.
ठीक है.